And in that very tutorial we discussed the various views in SPSS, which are the data view and the variable view. So in this tutorial, we are going to look at how to obtain the measures of central tendency and the measures of dispersion with SPSS. The measures of central tendency we have are the mean, median, and mode, while the measures of dispersion we have are the variance, standard deviation, and range. So we shall be looking at how to obtain this with SPSS. Whatever analysis you wish to carry out in SPSS, they can be found under the Analyze drop-down menu. This is the drop-down menu. So we shall be using the data we input in our last tutorial, that is gender, week 1 and week 2. In the last tutorial, we input this data, gender, then week 1, where week 1 stands for what? Scores obtained in the first week, then week 2, scores obtained in the second week. So like I said earlier, whatever analysis you wish to carry out in SPSS, they can be found under the drop-down menu, the Analyze drop-down menu. So since we are going to carry out the measures of central tendency and measures of dispersion, we'll come to Descriptive Statistics. Under the Descriptive Statistics, there's an extension of drop-down. We have frequencies, we have descriptives. If we are to select this descriptive now, select this descriptive. So we'll move our first variable, which is week 1, second variable week 2. When we come to option, now you observe that in this very dialog box, we don't have all the measures of central tendency there. The only one we have is mean. We don't have our median, we don't have our mode. So we're going to cancel this. So we'll go back to the Analyze drop-down menu. Go to Descriptive Statistics and select frequencies. Okay. Our variables have been moved to the variable column. So we're now going to select statistics. So this is where we'll select all the measures of central tendency we have. We have the mean, median, and mode, which have been selected. Then the measures of dispersion, we have the standard deviation, variance, range, minimum, and maximum. If you observe very well, under the frequencies column, we have all the measures of central tendency present, compared to when we selected Descriptive Statistics, which had only the mean among all the measures of central tendency. So if you wish to have the skewness and kurtosis of the data, you can select skewness and kurtosis. This enables us to view the distribution of our data set. Then you click continue. Then if you wish to have some charts, such as the bar charts or pie charts or histogram, you can select any of the charts you wish to have. Though for this tutorial we don't wish to have any chart, so we'll leave it as none. So continue. Then if you wish to have the frequency tables displayed, you can select this checkbox here. Though for this tutorial we don't wish to have the frequency tables displayed, so we'll leave it unchecked. Then we'll click OK and wait for the result. Okay, this is our output. Now, this is the measures of central tendency and measures of dispersion for the 2 weeks. We have the measures of central tendency and dispersion for the first week. Then we have the measures of central tendency and dispersion for the second week. We have 11 observations for the first week, 11 observations for the second week with no missing observations. We have the mean, the median, the mode. We have the standard deviation, variance, skewness, standard error of skewness, kurtosis, standard error of kurtosis. We have the range, minimum and maximum. So this is how we carry out some basic descriptive statistics, which are like the measures of central tendency and measures of dispersion with SPSS. Thank you very much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorial videos on SPSS.